Many times after some blockbuster movie, the popularity of that movie causes such a stir that a few years later, the moviegoers had watched that movie still want to know about the characters. This causes the movie producers to make another movie. They're called sequels. And for the most part, those sequels, well, they never really rise to the expectation of the audience desired in the first place. Now, the reason why I mention that is the book of Acts is really a sequel. You see, it's told by the writer Luke that this is a second sequel to what he originally did in the book that he wrote of the Gospel of Luke. In the book of Acts, Luke continues the story, this time telling us about the life of Jesus and the lives of the early church that carried his message from a small group of Jewish believers gathered in an upper room in Jerusalem to thousands throughout the world. In fact, by the time the 30 years of this book have passed, those who are against the message would say, those who have turned the world upside down have come here too. Acts chapter 17, verse 6. Furthermore, from the over 2,000 years since Jesus has had his message come, we too are a sequel. The only question that remains unanswered is, are we turning the world upside down for Jesus? In Martin Lloyd-Jones' book, Authentic Christianity, the author asked the question, what is Christianity? And then he asserted the answer. He says it's to be found in the book of Acts. It is my prayer that BVCC will never change the message to fit the culture, but rather that the message of Jesus and his life, visibly seen in how we live and love, will instead change our culture. When this happens, we too will hear those who have turned the world upside down have come here as well. This has been Pastor Dale. Blessings.